Hi, I'm Sydney. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the literal simplest way to make your room like 100 times cuter. See this shoebox? Ugly. You see this shoebox? Golden, beautiful, just wrapped in wrapping paper. Still opens. These are my soccer cleats, so my shin guards are in there too. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys literally the simplest way to make your room look cuter is to simply wrap your shoeboxes in wrapping paper or any type of boxes. If you have like storage boxes, like go ahead and wrap them. Like let's make them cute. You can use literally any kind of wrapping paper, but I obviously had to get wrapping paper to match my room theme, which is apparently cheetah print. You know what? You can have whatever fucking room theme you want. Even at 23, you can have a cheetah print room. It's okay. It looks nice. It looks elegant. Let's not go acting like I have a blue cheetah print room over here. No, it's fucking gold cheetah print. Classy. Bougie. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to wrap them because you need to make sure that they still open. Like they have to be able to open or else... Hi! I said we'd never be back in this spot, yet here we are. Apparently I don't have any other spots. We're here today to do some wrapping. I'm a wrapper. Yeah, I bought this wrapping paper because I wanted to wrap. Sorry, the lighting is probably also bad. I literally just said I bought this wrapping paper because I want to wrap.
I also have to wrap this to like be able to open it, you know? This is my giant roll of tape. I'm literally like wrapping this so that I'm able to open it. So that's why I'm just like tucking it in the bottom. And then like tucking it over the sides. Good tape. So great. I don't even know how to fucking put this back on. Yikes. Ooh, so crafty. So good with tape. Oh my god, wait, why is this? Ow! Fuck, I just cut myself. I don't know how to work this, actually. That's not right. I don't like tape. I never fucking am good with it. Probably should take the shoes out so I don't tape the shoes. I think I did that last time. Ah, making the boxes so pretty. That tape the new. Also, cutting a slit so it's easier. Okay, the tape's kind of cooperating right now. I gotta figure this part out. Oh god. So I have to cut them more, I think. Just a little bit more. Yeah, sure. Cut the whole thing off. Apparently it's not gonna fucking reach the front. Anyone else shocked? Devastated. I don't know where to cut that side. I'm gonna do this first. Make sure there's no like air at the bottom. Because this is gonna be like a forever wrapped kind of thing. I definitely have to cut that side. I really didn't. I really cut it perfect the first time. I just cut it to cut it again. If you think you make a mistake, you didn't. Yikes, it's the fact that there's air. Honestly, just use regular tape. I'm glad you guys can't see this. It doesn't deserve to shine. But this is such a cute way to make your room like look cuter because it's not gonna look boring. Like boring shoe boxes. Is this gonna fit? Dude, shut up. Why doesn't this fit? I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. The way this isn't opening. Do every other layer tighter, you know? Corner looks fucked, but it's well protected. That's so much better, guys. A little thick, but it's okay. Cuter!
It's 11:10 and I am meeting my friend at midnight. For some reason, I should look at the time of my last video, but I feel like I can't do another one and I don't want to start it if I can't finish it. But I guess whatever, fuck it, send it, right? 2 left, but also I have to find an outfit because this is not it. I mean, no. This shoebox is actually going to be easier because all I have to do is wrap the top and the bottom separately. So my advice to you is always take out your shoes and paper. This is also like the most flimsiest shoebox I've ever had. I promise once it's not winter, I will be in cute clothes and not just leggings and a sweatshirt every day. I just hate winter and I don't own cute winter clothes and I don't like pants. Sorry for like not showing you guys exactly how to do it.
Honestly, this wrapping paper even makes this box like a little firmer, which is insane because it shouldn't even be like that. Again, make sure there's no air bubbles.
Alright, now to wrap the last box and we'll be done. Look at how great it looks under here. Like, it's not just ugly boxes.
Again, it's another one with just like a top. So the top over here. Oh, this has so much stuff in it.
Slept Up Forever 21 has a nicer box than Amazon sent me. Last box, let's fucking go.
I think it might actually be easier to wrap the boxes that like have the tops attached to them, because then you know that they're still gonna close. It's like beautiful wrapping, so perfect, so elegant. Love that. I move a lot, that's why this is my tape. This is quite literally my tape. Also, this looks really nice not having anything under it, but it's also gonna look really nice having just matching under it.
Last box. I'm done.
This is actually a thick roll. I feel like it was kind of expensive, and like I'm glad that it has a lot of room.
It's always me trying to beat my camera.
There's totally supposed to be an easier way to work this tape. I just don't know how to do it. Okay, ready for the finale?
Woo!
Cute. Let's put it back. They go there. They go there.
This is how it looks. This is the final look. It looks so much better. This is your sign to wrap things that aren't cute in wrapping paper and just make them cute. So simple, so easy. Subscribe, comment more videos you want to see. I hope you're having an amazing day.